Hey y'all, it's your girl Aaliyah.
And y'all.
And today we're gonna be drinking some boba, where we're gonna make our own. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
We got the boba and we got
The milk tea. This is what it looks like.
the milk tea powder.
Alright, come on.
So first we're gonna add the milk tea.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna put the milk tea. Oh, y'all look at it. Okay. So I drink. Now we're gonna get our boba straw. We're gonna open it and stir it. Oh, y'all. This is plastic. Okay, so we're gonna stir it. Okay, now we're gonna add the boba in there. Oh, why do it look like this? Ah, splashing everywhere. Whew. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna taste test.
Yeah.
Y'all, it's hot. 3, 2, 1. Mmm.
You ate some of the boba?
Okay, bye.